Sprouts coming up from those seedlings or seeds that you saw me plant the other day. Remember, with the gem clips, the yellow gem clips are okra and the green gem clips are green beans. Hadn't seen anything come up from them yet, but it looks like there's an okra plant trying to come up. Nothing again from the green beans. Kale, I'm throwing that damn soil away. This is the Swiss chard, and it's still doing whatever. This little thing here, I don't know what's up with that. We will see. Maybe it just needs more space, and we will plant it. I'm wondering if these little old chives will stand up. We will see. So these are the collards that I transplanted yesterday into the bottom tier of the Green Stalk. And I tell you, there is something eating the hell out of them. Now, they're standing up pretty, don't get me wrong. But something is eating this one. Look at that. This one is doing okay, but something is really eating that one. So let's go ahead and unbox this wheelbase thing for my Green Stalk. So here I am getting that all opened up. You know, sometimes I do things in the oddest of ways, but never mind that. It should be fodder for humor for anybody watching. I got it open though. So here we are. There is one thing that child, get back up there. Baby, get the camera straight. Okay, so there is one thing that was kind of odd when I opened it, and I will show you that in a minute. Now, when I ordered this lid, honey, I didn't even think to choose the right color. I just picked the default color. I should have got a green one, but that's neither here nor there. Now, why is the wheels outside of the little wheel bag? 3 of them are outside of the wheel bag. There's a bag that they come in, and it should have been zipped. But, you know, that's no big deal. I can live with that. All of the parts were there. See? Honey, just sit it to the side. Okay, and look, I got some seeds. What did I get? Black Beauty Summer Squash there. Black Beauty Summer Squash. And I like the little ladybug that they have on the packet. And then, of course, everybody on the team. And that's the little draining tube that you can connect to the bottom of the base. I'll show you that in just a bit. But now let's go and fertilize these plants. Now here I have already added in that little mixture of the bone meal and the garden tone, and I've layered it on the top of these, and now I'm going in with a diluted fertilizer to kind of water all that in. We're going to see how this works. Again, it is all an experiment, trust me. Yep, that's Daddy in the background droning on about something. I think he's talking about soil. Listen in.
That's what gardens do. Because they got so much nutrients come out the soil naturally. You don't have to add shit to them.
Now, I don't know if I really needed to do this part because there's something about beans where they produce their own nitrogen or something. So hopefully I didn't overdo it. We shall see. The other tray, what you mean?
Those trees like they got them.
They all the same
They all
size.
the same.
Mm-hmm.
And you got 5 of them?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can plant a lot of shit.
Mm-hmm.
And you can do them one at a time. You don't have to fill up the other one, just, you can leave it. As long as you got each tray filled up, not, you don't have to worry about the milk. The milk part, just get water, that's where water is.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
You can do one fill at a time. But I would put them in and then put them up. That would be easy. I'll be mashing the other ones at the end. Those are designed to fit on top of the wheel like on there.
As promised, I'm showing you here how that little draining tube works on the spinning base for the Green Stalk. I'm not going to put the wheels on right now. So this is going to pretty much wrap up all the work I'm going to do today. And as far as my planning goes, the best laid plans of mice and men. Well, actually, things did go pretty much how I planned them. Maybe a few changes here and there, but nothing too major. I'm pretty proud actually about how things turned out. And I just want to say thank you to my subscribers who started following my little channel and anybody who is watching this who is getting a laugh off of me and all my shenanigans. Appreciate you taking the time to come see what I'm doing, take an interest in my garden, and I would love to get to know you. So stay in touch or get in touch if you haven't already. I'd love to build a little community of folks that just share their experiences in the garden, whether you are a beginner or whether you are a old school gardener like my dad. Anyway, y'all take care and I'll see you next time.